Hello and welcome back to An How To. Today we'll demonstrate how you can combine 5 simple steps to create a sexy style. So, let's get started. You have the freedom to combine these steps in various ways, whether it's for your dance routines or performances. Let me provide an example. I'll approach from behind, then open up to my left. From there, I'll drop down and rise back up. Next, I can take a walk, go down again, and rise back up. Additionally, I can open up here, rotate, and rise up. I'll let myself flow, go up, and down as desired. Another example could be starting with a fluid movement. Letting myself fall, going up again, rotating, and finally going up and down. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Until next time!